Zakirji's collaborations with musicians of different genres has opened up a dialogue of performance between Indian classical music and other Western genres. He collaborates with artists of different musical traditions and does it with such cultural sensitivity, and then creates a whole new genre for everyone to enjoy. Zakirji's collaborations with different genres and artists has put Hindustani classical music in so much more accessible terms. And if you would like to get to know Indian classical music better, I couldn't possibly suggest anyone better than Zakirji. Personally, I think growing up with Zakirji as a role model has really influenced my research, where I want to incorporate Hindustani classical music in music therapy, which is otherwise seen as synonymous with Western classical music.